I am so excited to eat right now.
Alright. Got a little lunch today. And my son, who's the sous chef, did the mural.
Really?
My older son did the 2 paintings.
Oh, I didn't check out the paintings.
My nephew is the head chef. And then my son is sure that's the manager.
Wow, so this is like a really family business. Wow. That's so cool. That is a sick mural. That makes me so happy. So today I'm Dizzy Bird's Rotisserie. It is legitimately a family business. And the matriarch, the mom just did an Instagram story on the floor, which is awesome because the floor is beautiful in here and beautiful hardwood. And they know how to take good photos for their Instagram. And she gave me a free piece of cornbread from it. And everyone behind the counter is really happy to be here. Everyone behind the counter wants this place to succeed and grow, and it's sick. I hope people come here because it looks amazing. I haven't tried the chicken yet, but the mashed potatoes and the gravy are insane. I'm going to eat some lunch and then I'm going to figure out what else I'm going to do. Oh, I'm going to El Bean. I'm going to go to El Bean for my day because I got to get a backpack and I'm going to go visit my brother in LA. So I got to go do those things. I'm totally Spanish, so I'm not afraid of eating straight cartilage. I actually love that crunch. Like, this is not going to turn into a feederism video. That would be weird and gross. Oh, my mustache looks terrible. I gotta just shave it again until it grows back. So that was Dizzy Birds. I got to talk to all the owners, both of them. It's a husband and wife and then their kids. And their son is running, is the manager. And I guess he came from a world where he was doing work at another restaurant. So he understands how to be a people person and he's very outgoing. And I guess that's what he was looking for. And it shows because everybody there looked like they were really happy to be there. They were really thankful that this place existed and that it was established in Biddeford, Maine. There wasn't one person there that gave me a dirty look or was mad. And they actually said, like, I fully support you taking video because they want this word out. So if you're ever in Maine, come to Dizzy Birds because it's sick. She came by and asked me how the meal was afterwards, and I told them, grew up in a Spanish household, so you eat the cartilage, you eat, you push your finger through the backbone and to get out that, like, that bit of flesh that's between the vertebrae, and, like, you suck it out and you eat it. And I told her about that and she looked a little taken back, but I was like, no, that's what you do. That's how you know, that's how you get the real, that's how you get the softest meat, is the one on the inside after all the cooking is done. The whole bird was delicious. It was so moist, that word. It was soft, it was juicy, and it was flavorful all the way through. So I would highly recommend Dizzy Birds to go visit. Alright, I gotta go buy a backpack. I'm gonna do that cliche thing. Damn. Oh, that's the blood of my finger. We did the free for it, and now we're going to El Bean. There's a lot of people out. El Bean, beaning store. Look at that beaning store. I hope a cop doesn't stop and pull me over because I'm holding my phone taking a video while driving and there's lots of pedestrians out. Beans. There is El Bean. find parking. Oh, parking. Not bad. Ooh, better parking. Ooh, best parking. I like never get this lucky while I'm trying to find parking at Beans. Watch out for pedestrians. Oh my god, there's a stipulation with that parking. The fuck is it gonna be? I hope it's not like old people. Guest carpool park. I'm a single person. This isn't a carpool. I'm not a low emission Oh, there's parking here. Reserved for permit. Fuck. I should have gone with better parking instead of best parking. Oh, there's parking. Doesn't look like it has a permit either. Life. I hiccup just once. That's how I do. It's the worst when I'm working and I happen to be talking about something important and I open my mouth and it goes, and I'm like, oh, cool. And that, I can't control that. It just happens. All right, let's go find a backpack. So I connected to the Yellow Bean Wi-Fi and instantly started watching YouTube. I haven't gone inside yet. Whoop, somebody's getting a pull-through spot. Nice. Turquoise or black? Turquoise or black? Very cool.
My channel is called Rumor Mayhem. It's a YouTube channel.
That's really cool.
Well, let him do his little video.
No, it's not gonna work. Oh, but wow, that restricts breathing. How's this look? I always like walking through this space and checking out these sweet ass tents. This one's got a fucking door. Oh, this one has a legit door. Whoop, it's got a dog in it. That's creepy as hell. That is creepy, but kind of cool. Pockets. And you got a whole door. It has to be a new one. I got the bootmobile. Look at that bootmobile. Yep, this clothing's for headless humans. Headless humans with dog. Also, torso-less humans. Torso-less. Headless humans cooking. Headless humans surfing. That's the real color. I want turquoise. It's my favorite color. And I didn't just want standard flat black.